Hey everyone, so I've been having a hard time, trying to find a tutorial or instruction how to change the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC front windshield wipers. So finally figured it out, so I'll show you guys a quick walkthrough, so stay with me. So first thing you want to do is, as you see, the car is off right now. You want to quickly turn off your ignition on and off. On, off, off, and then hold the button right here for 3 seconds, and there you go. Now the windshield wipers are in service position and you can start to change your windshield wipers. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to change them. So one of the things about these wipers is that you cannot go to a O'Reilly or AutoZone actually buy them, or go to Walmart or Myers. These are not like regular wiper blade that you can grab from any auto repair shops, parts store. I had to actually go to a Mercedes-Benz store and get authorized parts, as you can see right here. So basically it comes in a pair. For 2 blades it cost about $50, so which is not bad. They have a special clip in them, so that's why you have to get the parts from Mercedes. So this is how you're gonna know to change your wiper blade. As you can see, it has that warning sign, yellow warning sign, telling you this need to be changed. Versus the new one will show you take the tape off. There you go, there's nothing in there. So when that indicator comes right here, it shows that you have to change it. This is the new one and this is the old one. So basically I put my blade up now, and you have to lift it up like this, as you can see this from this end, and then you can move this thing up. As you can see, move the clip up, moved up, and then there you go, you can take it off. So this thing actually moves up and down, as you can see. So now to install a new blade, we are gonna put this in there like this. Just line the holes, make sure. As you can see, it's in. This thing should be pointed out, and then you can slide the cap right in. As you can see here, you have it locked. See, it doesn't come off, so that's good.